Go.
Go. Excuse me. Yeah, the behavior is completely different after they've warmed up, isn't it?
Yeah, completely.
Is that Reaper Cheap out there?
Yeah.
Oh, so much for anxiety. Two explorer mice help each other
Definitely.
once they get to know each other.
Yeah. First round, it made them both more anxious. Second time, they're way more.
Yeah, although there was clearly like that kind of grooming and getting to know you behavior.
Yeah. That's really.
And what's interesting is that it only took about 10 minutes exactly.
Yeah.
Well, plus I guess you had them on your arm a little bit, but we already started to see that behavior change after.
Yeah.
Because remember I recorded an extra minute, and by then they were already switched into that mode.
So we can, if we see it between other mice, we'll be able to pretty safely say if we can see the same behavior between them.
Well, we've got 3 other mice in there that have never
we
met
can say
these.
it takes about 10 minutes for them to get used to each other, and then
Mm-hmm. What I was thinking about for introducing them to each, or kind of when we talk about kind of combining the groups, is that instead of putting one group in another group's cage, we take both mice and put them in a cage they've never been in before, so that it's no one's territory.
yeah, that's a good idea.
He feels comfortable enough to groom outside the enclosure. Huh. We're only at 5 minutes. So we haven't done any Lillian or honeysuckle tests yet. I looked up on the internet what it would take to put sensors all along this so that you could hook up a Raspberry Pi and it would actually do all the timing for you. So you wouldn't have to ever take the, I mean, you could take the movie just for interest's sake, but all the data recording it would do for you. And you know, each of those sensors costs less than $1. Yeah. So you could put them all, you know, every 5 centimeters, and you'd know exactly where the mice were. It'd be cool to get some of those lab mice and see what the difference is. This is going to be like iScore.
radar time's up. These two.